Our food bank was started a couple of years ago. We had maybe 10 or 15 families that would come regularly to pick up.
In an open letter, the Cote-des-Neiges Black Community Association is highlighting the need for sustained funding to support nonprofits. Working alongside Moisson Montréal, among other partner organizations, the association looks to provide essential services for the community. But Association Board of Directors Chair Ayanna Alleyne says budget constraints have been a challenge.
We rely on Moisson Montréal 100%, and so without sometimes they don't have enough food, and sometimes they're sharing between, the plethora of people in Montreal. So if we were able to get some sustainable funding that we could allocate specifically to our food bank, we would be able to have our own truck.
Having started in the pandemic, the CDNBCA Food Bank at 4920 Vizina Street offers food baskets to all for pickup and delivery to those with mobility issues and seniors, helping 60 to 80 people per week.
Even though we're a Black-led org, we provide services for the entire community. So we have all walks of life, ages, race, income status, and it's hard to refuse people to say, okay, well, sorry, we don't have.
I think now we have a very big mix of people who are just needing that extra help in their day-to-day and their weekly expenses, and it really makes a change in what people are able to do. It makes a difference between putting a kid in, an after-school activity because they were able to save $40, $50 a week on their groceries.
I'm very grateful that I have new things like free because I'm senior citizen. I have a small pension, and taking care of your community is really nice.
They get fruits, they get bread. They're very big on bread. They ask for milk and eggs. Sometimes we get milk and eggs. Sometimes it's every 2 to 3 weeks that we get, or sometimes none at all.
As they continue expanding, the food bank also hopes to be able to get an industrial fridge and freezer to store and supply the community with meats. Meanwhile, the Cote-des-Neiges Black Community Association hopes they'll be around to continue meeting Montrealers' needs.
Nonprofits in general, and specifically Black nonprofits, are forgotten in kind of the ecosystem of what gets done in community space. Being able to have the organization still be standing after 50 years as a testament to what we've been able to do and what we want to continue doing.
In Montreal, Anastasia Dextrene, City News.